You have insurance, which is a good thing, and you have coverage to your carpet, hopefully, if it gets wet. But they only want to pay for a small portion of the room, and the loss goes out to 3/4 of the room. You can't pay for a quarter of the room or half the room, so the whole room has to be replaced. And that's a good thing. Insurance will pay that without a question. However, if that room is connected to another room, and they don't want to pay for a second and third room, it's like carpet going down the hallway, for example. They're going to replace the carpet in the hallway, room next to the hallway, because that's line of sight. There's nothing obstructing or inhibiting the flow of that carpet. But when doors close to bedrooms and no water goes in there, they can stop the loss at the doorway. It's called line of sight. So make sure if you have an open way where you can clear vision or view of one room to the next. There could be other seams. Insurance needs to pay for both rooms because of line of sight. If there's something breaching or stopping, like some tile or staircase, and there's a break in the carpet, then they could maybe deny you there. But remember, line of sight is a good tip.